Span. Ay. Sige.
Okay na lang. Para sa chorus na silang palanta.
Nabi kayo may amo na no?
May cursor siya.
Mahal na.
Makalkaw. Ano mo naging kanta mo? Hindi man. Hindi mo naging kanta mo sa plan.
There's nothing like that feeling when I look into your eyes. My dreams
Back up po kami!
Sabi sa'yo.
If you could see what I see,
Everybody!
you're the answer to my prayers. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know, it would believe the angels brought me.
Thank you. Thank you,
Falling.
1 million na ba?
Every heart is a name. My dreams came true. Right love you, my miracle. If you could see what I see, you're the answer to my prayers. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear. The angels brought me, brought me here. I'll be forever grateful. Oh, forever grateful. My dreams came true when I found you. My miracle. If you could see what I see, the answer to my prayers. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear. The angels brought me
Let's celebrate life. Yay, kulas more
And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear. The angels brought me
Okay, very good.
Ika na.
Next song, ikaw na next. Okay,
Ang
kasunod
post lang,
ko.
be.
Ano yan ang friend ng mga panana? Harana, eh. Harana lang.
Sige, sige, sige.
Harana lang yung friend.
Ipag-ibig
Okay. Ano mas?
Kasi na-exit mo na nga ako na makan... Exit mo na ako na makanta. Yan. Grabe ko.
Ay, wala gabiyo sa ano mo.
Sino?
May mga gabiyo.
View mo, beautiful.
Ako viewer yan. Wala akong viewer?
Ben? Dapat
Kasi
sa
yun,
iyo.
boy.
Nakapag-blip lang ka. Paano ko babalaan kung ano ha? Kung...
Yes, 1, 2, 1.
Oh, so tata.
Gusto pa ba ang harangan?
Ay, lamig. Lamig-lamig. Lamig-lamig. Paano ko rin mabalaan, Chef Man?
Wala ka rin.
Maganda ako, nagkatama at sisaklado sa kaba.
Wait, hala.
Meron pa rin na
Mga rosas, suot na may makong nakupas. Hindi mo na.
Dahil boring.
Gali. Ah, bala ko na gali. Para makanta. Ay, ate, nagawa na siya. Kaya ikaw na. Ano?
Naka na. Tuwa pa ng bulsa.
Ano na may phone na makakanta? Ah, gusto ko na breathless.
Wala ka rin viewer.
Go on, go on. Ako na next. Ay, hindi ko
Hey, everybody!
Everybody sing!
Yes, sing with us!
The daylight fades slowly. The time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. This light is touch and I feel weak. I cannot lie from you. I cannot hide. I'm losing will to try. Can't fight it. Can't fight it. So go on, go on. Come on, leave me breathless. Tell me, tease me, till I can't deny this love and feeling. Let me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah, come on. And all we have is here and now. I'm happy just to have you. You're all the love I need somehow. It's like a dream, although I'm not asleep. I never want to wake up. Don't lose it, don't leave it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Tell me, tease me, till I can't deny this love and feeling. Let me long for your kiss. Go on, G.
Karaoke. Karaoke.
Nandito ako. Sweet child of mine. Baka namin. Meron ako dyan. Gagas mo lang ka. Duwa na pa mo. Bruce Bunic is watching me. Ano ito? Walang viewers ta? Masik. 17 views. Ilagyan mo.
With the Smile Karaoke full band.
Di mo pa pirdi. With a smile.
I mean, then,
That's the Royal Collect and Win. Collect 6 packs and redeem daily. Han's best brightening ingredient, Naya Sourcing.
today.
Brightens better than vitamin C. For ultimately clear skin. Han's Bright Miracle Serum. Now in trials.
Sa cellphone ko rin, hindi na live.
With your hand, baby, don't be scared of the things that will go along the way. You'll get back
Tapos nagpatas-patas mo lang.
with a smile. You can win everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When there's closing all the doors, I don't want you anymore. It sounds funny, but I say it anyway.
Hindi niya naging kuwaw.
Girl, I'll stay.
Saan mo lang ka
Through the bad times, even if I have to fetch you every day,
Yung may stay di yan.
we'll get by
Ano siya mo?
with a smile.
Ayun.
You can never be too happy in this life. 'Cause in a world where everybody is a happy ending story, it's a one love can make the world go round. Don't let it bring you down and turn your face into a frown. Get along with a little prayer and a song. Let me hear you sing it. Everybody hates a happy ending story. It's the one love could make the world go round.
Ano yung wifi?
Don't let it bring you down and turn your face into a frown. You'll get along with a little prayer and a song.
Ano ka namin? Namin!
It's my
Ang title ko? With a smile.
With a smile.
Ano yung nabukbukid mo yun?
Actually,
Ano yung ba niya?
Hindi. Ano na siya kanya?
Don't panic. With Pediasure Plus and Plus. My natural vitamin K2 and arginine.
Reviewer, nakaluin sa... I know, it's not that.
Kasi automatic yung na friend nag-connect? Or wala kagig ka connect?
Wala akong ako nilagay na.
Okay. Ay, gusto ko kata mo pare ko. Pare ko. Ikaw na yung kanta, friend.
Okay. Hello ka balakhan. Ako okay.
Who's Raymard? Samplano Kamen.
Sino mag-watch na sa'yo?
You and me this went the world took apart. No one else could make me feel this way, and only you could bring out all the best I could do. I believe it's earned the time, make me feel real good inside. You push me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can help me show. You'll break this heart and tear. Suddenly the madness is your smile. Your face, your lips that I miss. The sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me stay. I'll be here through all the ways. It's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see. When I know I've got you with me.
Ano ang friend ba? Ay, yung sa phone, nandito ako?
Sige.
Ay, amugin mo, naging kanta mo, wow. Ang pag-isip.
Ang Downy, ado na may bonus 30% more.
Okay, we have 4,000
Mas
views.
madali na mag-order ng Jollibee favorites mo. Download now!
Si Regine Galanto.
Who's MJ Kamen?
Ay, namin na may sinumbrand.
Nais malaman, maaari bang baktan mo?
Dapat paligo.
Alam mo ba, matagal na kita... Hindi ko balik dito kay David. Next.
Matagal na akong nakikita. I-share ko na lang live para lang naman. Ngunit mayroon ka na ibang minamahal. I-share ko ang live. Kung kaya't ako'y di mo pinapansin.
Isa lang ako kasi ang judging mo nung ako.
Kaya lang ginagawa ko. Hindi na kaya na.
I-share ko
Hindi
ha.
ako nakabala sa ikaw na rin.
Malaman mo
Sa chorus lang ko.
ang puso ko'y ito para lang sa'yo. Hindi ko ako umiibig sa'yo kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Kung sakali
Where's the remote controller? Huwag kang mag-alala.
Minagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito.
Pagbigyan mo ulit ito. Pagbigyan mo.
Pagbigyan mo.
Bigyan mo ulit.
Okay, where's the remote? Can you
Ihatag
can you
siya.
control over?
Ay,
Himala
ikaw
lang
na.
din.
Kung hindi mo kaya, ihatag sa mga dito.
Pagbigyan mo ulit. Para open full band.
Kung hindi mo kaya, kami malak
Yes,
sa
kami malak.
chorus or sa high nga part.
High notes. Puta, ng TV arrange mo. Ano basta dito i-arrange?
Ay, si Romulus.
Romulus!
Hi, Romulus! Hello, hello! Welcome, welcome!
Ay, yun siya ito.
Sa imo nga, no?
Okay lang.
Kasi may haircut sa...
Yan na ako'y nagkamali. Ngunit tumarin ako'y nagsisisi. Alam kong ako'y nangako pinamaulit na. Ako'y nagkamali sa'yo. Muli ay patuloy ko. Kahit kayang yakapin.
Nagkaraay tayo.
Magtiwala muli, mahalin muli, magbalik ka sa akin.
Di ko kakayanin kung ika'y mawawala sa akin. Di ko kakayanin pag nalaman kong wala ng pag-ibig sa akin. Di kayang mag-isa, gusto kasama kita.
Ayaw.
Magtiwala muli, ito na ang huling pagkakamaling pag-ibig ko.
Muling tanggapin. Ang walang napapalala. Tinapos na. Beatle.
Ay,
Why did you transfer to the different song?
My God, invalid transfer.
Ako na lang.
Oh
Tapos
my
kita
God.
ay Prince Sun eh.
Okay, one audit failed. One failed audit and one failed outbound call for Joseph.
kung makanta to.
Naghahanap ng matay kapusan. Hindi ko makuha.
Eto na.
Ito naman ako.
Nakikinig sa mga kwento mo. Paulit-ulit na. Ay, nung entry mo. Ano nakikita ko yun? Hindi ka pa dadala. Hindi ba kailan nang ika'y iwanan niya? At ewan ko nga sa'yo, parang kaliwala ang puso ko. Ano nga bang meron siya na sa akin ay di mo makita? Kung ako lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling mag-iisa. Kung ako lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling mangangailangan pang humanap ng iba. Narito ang puso ko, naghihintay lamang sa'yo. Okay, next.
Next song.
person. Ito pa rin ako.
Next song. Ay, nauna. Set next song. Pagbigyan mo rin.
Tuloy pa rin ang arasdan mo.
Ano,
Tuloy
ano?
pa rin ang awit ng buo. Amo ka na?
Hindi. Ay, hindi.
Let Me Be the One by Jimmy Bondo. Karaoke, full band.
Gagawin. Minaoy. Minaoy ito na imo. Ikita mo yun.
Fuel your peak. Summit Natural Drinking Water. The right hydration. With the right minerals. Rise to the summit.
Two, dua. Ako isang imo sa buwan. Ay. For this a little bit. Oh, di dapat los. Mga liyo. Shout out to my ex! Umutot na ba't na? Ay, magilig ka. Sarap daw. Okay.
I'll give you a song.
Let Me Be the One. That song is brought to you by
Somebody told me you were leaving. I don't know.
Seryoso. Okay.
Somebody told me you weren't happy. And I said sure.
6 minutes.
Somebody told me that you don't want me no more. So you were walking out the door. Somebody told me you've been crying every night. Nobody told me you've been dying, but I didn't want to find. Nobody told me that you fell out of love for me. So set you free.
Hanggang ko ka daan.
Very wrong sa kanta. Sa mga... Sa ano sa mga... Very wrong sa kanta sa situation. Sa mga... Okay, let's end the guy.
Yes. For freedom, friend.
Someone wins and someone loses.
Hindi bigyan.
When it's time to say our love was true, let us now become alive.
So tell you I love you one last time. And you back.
Ay, huwag na natawid ito.
Somebody told me you still love me. I don't know. Nobody told me that you won't leave. That it's time to fly. Somebody told me that you want to come back when love is real again. Let me be the one to break it, so you won't have to make excuses.
We need to find and set up
well.
someone wins and
Someone
someone
loses.
We just have to say our love was true. Let us now become
Ay, ganun.
I did buy you don't have
have to live like this.
but
If you... Oh,
But if you love me still, then stay. Then keep waiting for the final kiss. We can work together through this test. We can work through it. I just need to get this off my chest. But you will always have my heart. Let me be the one. Be the one to break it. So you don't have to make excuses.
we don't need to find an
May
answer.
araw kanta. Someday. Paingin niya. Karaoke full band.
Someday! Ay, ako na, team song ha.
Sige, kanta ko sa
Kantawan, kantawan.
Para sa inyo ni Mark.
Ay,
Excellent, right here. New Pantene supplement
Ni
conditioner
Mark. Ano
for
ba?
vitamin and collagen.
Mark
Smooths
Constantine.
out the chest easily.
Mark
for
Constantine.
soothing. It's not luck, it's Pant.
Hello.
Lucky Me Jambon. Kaya huwag palampasin ang sarang-anghang Korean sarap ng Lucky Me Jambon.
Ikaw naman.
Sarang-anghang na hanap mo. Lucky Me
Uy, grabe ka man-trimmer.
Hindi na, delayed na.
Yeah, magasunod na.
Hindi naman mo, ginupukuan mo.
Not now. Ayun.
Ay, tignan lang.
Love.
Ako ng kanta, please. Hindi mo magsunod. Kaya madula ako ano.
Ang rhythm.
Hindi, moment. Kaya parang ni Kenneth.
But this song is for me.
Para ma-realize niya.
O, sige na yung magpag.
Hindi mo ako sunod. Liwat-liwat.
Ay,
Diba ako?
Dorintol.
Someday.
O, sige na, go. Ay!
Someday you're gonna realize. One day you'll see this through my eyes. By then I won't even be there. I'll be hungry somewhere. Even if you can.
Social media ba?
You don't really see my
Ang pati ako jets mo. Tapos pati ako.
you're not sky under what I guess for you.
Paano ko na ma-realize ako?
I know I'm
Internalize na.
Nagkanta.
but it won't work out.
Pero may ka-board.
Para sa inyo ni
Okay.
Someday someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to leave me. Someday someone's gonna take your place. Someday I'll forget about it. You see, I wanted to miss you someday.
I'm very good. Nice. I like the voice. The voice inflection.
Are you and
Lugisin naman na sa ako.
I'm down. I'm not doing all the wrong things. It will all run dry. I won't have to cry. Sweet goodbye. Someday someone's gonna love me. Knowing wanting you to leave me. Someday someone's gonna take your place. One day I'll forget about you. You see, I won't ever miss you someday. Someday someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to leave me. Someday someone's gonna take your place. One day I'll forget about you. You see, I won't miss you someday. Someday.
Ang balas si Mama.
Mama siya.
Hi, Mama. I miss you, Mom.
Family.
Para sa family.
Okay, female key dapat.
Anong kanta mo kay Mama mo?
Si Gemma.
Ay, kay
Ano
Mama ko
na?
na.
Someday man eh.
Mapuli.
Someday magkita. Uy, grabe ka. I love you, goodbye.
Para kay Tita.
Tita, this song is for you. Miss Janeline. Friend, ang hair ko. Dudong pa rin. Ako may dulo na yung kita. Gusto ko.
Kainin ka, gawin ka dilaw ka. Para nakikita.
Wish I could be the one that could give you the kind of love you really need. Wish I could say to you that I always stay with you.
Kamu na song na naman mo.
But baby, that's not me.
Hindi ah.
How is it?
You need someone willing to give
Nakaka-happy na si Joseph.
and so to you. Promised you forever, baby. It's something that I can do. I can say that I'll be all you need, but that would be a lie. I know I'd only hurt you. I know I'd only
Hindi
make
ka alas
you
ka naman. Yung
cry.
person mo lang nag-hospital.
Iyan ako sa cry to dear. Ay, sorry. Ay, tigil lang. Ay, tigil lang. Ako, di ka nila sa
Feeling ko na yung person mo.
This is the kindest thing to do. You need someone who'll be the one that I can never be. Would give me something kind of love to find with me. I can say I'll be all you need. Maybe I know that only I won't make you cry.
I'm not the one you needed. Say goodbye, so enjoy your life.
Hindi pa igahon. Late lang rin.
Okay, next song.
Next song.
Ano to ba?
Hanggang mga hapos mo lang ako.
Hapos na kanina.
Wala mo di hapos. Ano song ba?
Song by Creation.
Ang kay Regine Velasquez na dadalhin. Gusto ko makanta.
Bakit ka nakanta?
Dadalhin kita sa dada. Ano ba ba na? Kay si Gabi. Ako mauna i-chorus mo.
Okay.
Sino may isa na friend?
Mamaya.
Tama mo.
Ako mauna, ikaw mga second voice. Sama ikaw sa chorus, ha? Dapat pa kita beach.
Yes. Okay.
Ay, dala pa to?
Nalala.
Na, pinag-share. Ang pangarap ko nagmula sa'yo, sa iyong ganda, puso'y di makalimot. Tuwing kapiling ka, tanging nadarama ang pagsilip ng bituin sa Haplos ng iyong puso, parang walang ligtas kundi ang lumuho. Ang hapdi din nitong pag-ibig, umasa pa sinabi mo. Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo, dadalhin at kerkrak. Ang lahat ng ito'y pinagngako mo. Dadalhin lang pala ng hangin ang pangarap ko. Umiiyak, umiiyak ang puso ko. Alaala pa ang sinabi mo na nadarama ang pag-ibig mo. Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo. Ang lahat ng ito'y pinangako mo. Dadalhin lang pala ng hangin ng pangarap ko. Ang lahat ng ito'y pinangako mo.
Kinakanta mo na, Rosel.
Dadalhin lang pala ng hangin.
Kay Eric Santos ang loob.
Ang pangarap ko. Ang mga ito ginagitan tayo. Nakanta mo na, wala pa.
Tapos na?
Mas natak ang tita.
Nagagawa ka na yun.
Or saan?
Okay ka?
Saka na.
Tita, kami naman.
Ano ka ba naman ka? Friend ba ito?
Wala na siya.
Parang mabalaan.
Ah, hindi. Isa na lang.
Ari mo ng friend of beer.
Hindi.
A pretty
Ano.
little baby. Ang beer?
Beer.
Balam na ha?
Yes.
Gusto mo ilog.
Hindi na ka magusto sa washing. Sa Surf Ultra Power Liquid. 750 na.
Di mabilang ang umagang pinasigla kasama ng Magnolia Pure Fresh Milk at Magnolia Chocolate. Magnolia, isang tabaw na at higit.
Huwag naman na. Kung saan ang iba. Golden, mali.
Golden lang ang ngalan
Ah.
sa'yo. Pero hindi ka. Alam, sino mo ba siya niya?
Sige mo na.
Wala mo na?
Pwede, para may kaya.
Oo, ini. Sige na.
Mawala ka pa.
Ay, niyari kita ni Gaya. Try.
Kaya na pero kasi ang
Taas nga, ha?
Lahat na yata
Binigay para sa'yo.
Ngunit parang magkukulang pa ako. Sino nga ba siya sa puso? Overtime natin ito.
Ngayong lahat ng akin ay pag-ibig. Ay, dapat sabi sa'yo mo.
Ay, nag-yoya.
Pagkukulang na ako, nagagawang sakta ng puso ko. Ay, ano ang hindi malutuno yan?
Kung makanta ko, hindi ko makanta.
Okay.
Kahit bigay puso at isipan,
Let's change the song. Anong kantos niya kanta ko ni Colette ang pinaka natin?
Mabalo siya katanay nga doon.
The Climb Different. Pangarap lang ito eh. Bakit ba ikaw na nang nagsisip? I want you to sing the Bakit Ba Ikaw.
Bakit pa ba? I'll Never Go.
Ang-
I'll Never Go by Eric Santos Karaoke Full Band. Very good.
Ang ako nga katlo, pero the one...
Sakit na, naitan mo ka, Melvin.
I'll never go.
Baka, promise mo lang. Dapat. Ayun.
Pinaka-umay reaction, hindi makanta kayo may nagkanta. Kahit hindi mo kayo kabalo, ika lang. Sino mga sobrang?
You that always tells me this words
Ay,
and tell
sabi
me
ka kanta.
Kami pa kanta.
what it means to me. Every single day, you always act this way.
Siguro ako dahil.
How many
Nagyan
times
sa Bordoy.
I love you, but this is all I know. Come to me and hold me, and you will see the love begin, for you still hold the key. Every single day, you always act
This way.
for how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know.
Hey, everybody!
I'll never
Go
far away from you.
Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you.
Di ako nga.
Sabi na sa chorus. Ay, gano'n na, hindi nakagabalo. Okay, go.
To me and hold me, and you will see the love I give, for you still hold the key. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you.
Parang may makita na.
This is all I know.
Utang ko sa akin yan. Di ako nga.
I'll never go far away from you. I'll never far away from you. Even the sky will tell me that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from ever go. Oh, far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I never go far away from you.
Dagan.
Ano ba eh? Ano? Balag mo. Muna.
Hindi.
Hindi ka. Maging sino ka man all after the years. One last try. Two less lonely people in the world. Alipin. Ano yung alipin? Ako'y alipin mo kahit hindi ba naman. Hindi. Ano ba yun?
Araw-gabi. Araw-gabi yan.
Ah, sige, sige.
Ano lang.
Ah, sige.
Ara.
Mungkin mana? Mas gini gini guys. Tahu tak eh?
Cover speech.
Salah.
Nasa isip. Tama na yung mali ko. Gagawin tahu tak?
Good night.
Eh, cinta ano?
Okay. Araw-gabi. Ano ka?
Panalangin ko
Sige.
sa
Alright. Okay. 4 word. Yeah.
Panalangin ko sa habang buhay. Makapili ka, makasama ka. Yan ang panalangin ko. Hindi papayag ang pusong ito.
Mawala ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong bigin. Wala nang iba makasalaga sa tamis na dulot ng pag-ibig natin dalawa. Sana naman na nakikinig ka kapag aking sasabihin, minamahal kita. Panalangin ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. At hindi papayag ang pusong ito, mawala ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong hindi. Wala nang ibang mas mahalaga sa tamis na dulot ng pag-ibig nating dalawa. At sana naman nakikinig ka kapag aking sabihin, minamahal kita. Girlfriend.
Panalangin ko sa habang buhay. Makapili ka, makasama ka. Yan ang panalangin ko. At hindi papayag ang pusong ito. Mawala ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong higit. Panalangin ko sa habang buhay. Makapili ka, makasama ka. Yan ang panalangin ko. At hindi papayag ang pusong ito. Mawala ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong higit.
Ang order mo, fulfill na dapat. Ma, sa
I want this.
Flex mo, sticker mo, ako.
Child is slowly taken. Ayo, everyday. And the violence caused such silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tongues and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. In your head, zombie, 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 what's in your head? In your head.
Ano na?
Lobat. Zombie, zombie.
Wala ka na, charger.
Wow, nablasan po. May charge na ako.
Full na naka-deck na?
Pero patayangan mo nang kita niya kanta. Super namin na, may gigisa lang galanta. Dahil ko lang galong, friend.
Hindi ang ano yan?
Dito, ano, sama nga, sakta ko.
Ha?
Ito na tayo.
Ay, dali mo. Dali lang batang.
Paano?
Tungtong dao.
Oo.
Tapos, ang saksak ang starter mo din.
Lalo.
Okay na? Okay, very good. You're following the instruction. Inawan ka taon ta.
Hindi man. Okay. They're fighting in your head.
Pwede mo magkanta Wonderful Tonight na, Seth. Ikatabi.
Sige, i-search ang wonderful. Wonderful
Ikaw,
tonight.
Ito wala pa mo.
Wonderful Tonight Karaoke Full Band.
Milo Morning Jams. More and more sa mga habit sa eskwelahan. Sa kinanglan, more and more energy. Mag-Milo.
Wala mo siya nakambal na battery low, tapos nag-low batch. Hello, ay wala pa siya.
Kasi yung isa na ano.
Wala siya nag-light. Dapat nag-light siya.
Sino?
Ano?
Siguro ba?
Ay, mo. Kita lang na dyan, ba nagbubat? Sobrang ka nag What's in your head? Hindi siya gulo sa zombie. Ano na siya to?
Enggak, siya. Coba.
Bluetooth mode.
Ha? Sige, Be. I-sing na, Be.
Sing, 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 sing.
I-finish ni